What's up, everyone? Arif here, and today we are trying another G Fuel Sour Blue Chug Rug, inspired by Phase Rug. Those are all words. I don't know what any of them mean, but they're all words. Anyways, let's try it. I ended up doing a big order of G Fuel because my company has mandated us back into the office 3 days a week, so I need something to make it bearable to be there. So let's try this and see how it goes. I like sour, and they did another BOGO sale. I think it was for Memorial Day. They did this sale. But it takes a little bit for it to get up here to Canada. But let's try it. I'm really excited because I actually got two sour flavors. I got this one, and I got another one whose name I don't know. But that's good. Not great, but it's good. I don't really know what it's supposed to be, quite honestly. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like one of those sour key candies or what. It's good though. Like, I don't know. It's not a distinguishable, like, you can tell what they were aiming for on this flavor like you can with the other ones. But it's not sour. I can definitely say that. It's not sour, but if you like this type of stuff, then hey, I think you might like this kind of flavor. Would I buy it again? If it's a BOGO sale, yeah, I'll get it. If it's my free one, why not? It doesn't really like hurt anything. Like I said, we've had worse flavors if you look at the start of when we started to do these G Fuel trial tests. So, you know, we'll roll with it. But there you guys go. This was G Fuel Sour Blue Chug Rug. Try it if you want, man. I don't know, man. 50-50 shot at best. But thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I've been Arif. Hit that sub button. I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.